Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. In this video, I will show you on how to change background color in Google Chrome using Windows 10. On your computer, open Google Chrome. At the top right corner of the screen, click the three vertical dots and find Settings. From there, look for Appearance, then click on Themes. Since my background is already in black, I will need to click on Themes. There you go. You can select any colors you want to choose from. For example, I want to use rose. So I will click on rose. I will add to Chrome. There you go. So simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching.